Hi everybody, this is Annette. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I bring you a video for the 4th of July week with some little dainty and delicate necklace and pair of earrings just to celebrate the 4th of July. Sometimes I was thinking about it, and sometimes we just want to wear shorts and a tank top and a t-shirt or whatever, and it's just, you don't want to put a lot of jewelry on you. You just want to wear something really, really simple. So I thought of creating this video and just, just something fun just for you guys. So I really hope that you enjoy the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so and ring that, or I say ring, but click the little bell besides the subscribe button to notify you of future videos. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for finding my channel and tuning in and watching my videos. I hope you learn from my tutorials. If you have any questions, or if you want to see a future video or a future tutorial on creating jewelry, just leave me your comments down below. I'll be more than happy to do that. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it helps grow my channel. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for your support. I do truly appreciate it. My channel has grown so much, and it's all because of you guys. So stay tuned because I am planning to do a giveaway here really soon, only for the US, but I am planning to do a giveaway where I'm going to be giving out lots of things, lots of goodies and jewelry pieces and things like that, and I'll tell you more of that in a future video. So I hope you enjoy it, and until next time, stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, here are the things you are going to need for this project. You're going to need some bent nose pliers or chain nose pliers, some wire cutter, round nose pliers, and flat nose pliers. And you are also going to need some rat's tail or some silk cord, and you can do it with a leather cord or some suede cord. That will work as well. You're also going to need 20 head pins, and in this case I'm using these that have these little balls designs at the ends. As you can see, they're so cute. I thought they would be perfect. 3 jump rings size 6 millimeters. 3 jump rings size 12 millimeters or 10 millimeters will work too, and some ear wires. You're going to need 20 beads of your choice, and these I have pre-made, but I'm going to show you with a couple of them how to create it. So let's get into the video. Okay, so let me grab the couple of beads I haven't finished here just so I can show you. What we're going to be doing is wrapping these beads around and creating a wrapped loop with them. So, and I've gathered these beads, and now I'm using some faceted round 8 millimeter beads, but you can use any beads of your choice. In this case, because it's going to be 4th of July, I'm doing them in red, white, and blue. So these have a red and a white and blue finish, like a fire polish finish, and then this ones are red, and I also have some silver. Okay, so let's get into that. Remove all this aside so we don't have any issues. Okay, so what you're going to do with these is just grab your head pin. You're going to put it through the bead, and you're going to grab your round nose pliers. And this one, I have it to where it's marked here. You can mark it with a Sharpie. That way you always know how your loop is going to look. You're going to turn it away from you and coming back around, all the way around, where you're going to create a loop just like that. Okay. And then you can use the pliers, the round nose pliers, to hold it right here, and you can wrap it with your hand. And I'm going to do 3 loops here, or 3 wraps, to where the bead is in there and it's not too tight to where it's going to break it or anything. And then that excess I'm going to remove with my flesh cutters. There we go. And whatever excess I have here, I'm just going to push it in so it has a nice finish there. Okay, let's do it one more time. Put in the bead, and look how cute that looks with that finish right there. We're going to grab my round nose pliers, pushing it away, flip your pliers, you come back around, flip your pliers, and then you're gonna push it through and you create your loop. You're gonna grab it and we're gonna create 3 wraps with this. Okay, and then now I'm gonna cut that, the excess, and I'm gonna grab my flat nose and I'm just gonna push it in, okay? Just like that. Okay, so I have them all in here. And what I'm gonna do is I created some for the earrings and some for the actual necklace. So we're gonna just stick with the necklace first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my big jump ring, and I'm using 2 flat nose pliers, but you can certainly use your chain nose pliers. Let me show you how to do it with this one, just like that, front to back. I am going to put 1 silver, 1 red, 1 blue, and white, just like that on that side. I'm going to grab this and I'm going to go through the other side, and I'm going to put, in this case, I'm going to put a blue and then a red. Okay, so now that I have that there, I'm just going to close it, and this is how it's going to look. Look how cute. That is too adorable. Great charm. And you can do this with a smaller jump ring. Definitely just do that. I need to close this jump ring a little bit better. So there I go, just doing that. And I'm just gonna grab my 6mm jump ring. I'm going to open that again front to back. I am gonna put it through the center of that, and that's what's gonna go on my earring. Just gonna put it through there. We're just gonna close it. And there you have it. There's your earring. Look how cute. That is so simple. Very cute and simple. And you have your red, white, and blue and your silver. And let me open it so you can see how the colors sit there. That's how it should look. That is adorable. Okay, so we're done with 1 earring. Super simple, super simple. And we're gonna create the other earring. So again, we're gonna open the jump ring front to back. And we're gonna do a silver, because this one goes in the center, a red, and a blue. Okay, and then we're gonna hold it with our other hand, and on the other side, we're gonna do a blue and a red. That way you have red, blue, silver, red, blue. We're gonna close it, okay? And then we're gonna grab our another jump ring. Oopsie. Slippery jump ring. And we're going to just open it front to back. I gotta find my center there. Front to back. We're going to grab this jump ring through the center. I'm gonna put it in. We're gonna put our ear wire right here. We're gonna close it. And there's our second earring. There we go, we have a second earring. Look at that, cute. Okay, so now that I've done that, I have all these that are my leftover, and that's what's gonna go in my bigger jump ring, okay? So let's do that. So here's my bigger jump ring, and let's see, I have 1, 2, I have red, silver. So this is a time where you can definitely put them, you can do them randomly, or you can put them however they're going to be. I had lost the red one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do blue, red, like we did the earrings, and then silver, and then blue, red, and then I'm gonna do another blue, and then a silver, and well, no, let me do a red, and then a silver, and then a blue, and a red. That's gonna be my order, just like that. So I'm just gonna grab this. I'm I'm gonna open the jump ring, and I'm just gonna start putting them all in there in the same order I just placed it. This one, this one. I'm gonna grab from the corner. That way I don't lose. Keeps moving on me. Gotta hold it tight. Oops, lost my red one. I put it in there. This is a super simple project and super cute and easy to create, comfortable to wear, not a big deal if it gets wet or what have you. It's just a fun piece to have. And then we're gonna close this jump ring front to back. Make sure that they're touching. You hear that? That means I'm closing that gap. Now that I have it here, I'm gonna try to put my tool through it. So in the meantime, I can open my jump ring because that's holding my center. So I'm gonna do this front to back. And then here is where my jump ring is gonna go. See if I can hold it with my hand and just put my jump ring through. You can do it with your hands. And then I'm gonna close this right here. And then that will be where it's gonna hang from my necklace. So that's our centerpiece right there. See how cute that looks? It's like a little cluster. Okay, so we have that. And now we have a yard of silk cord right here. And what's gonna happen is I'm gonna find my jump ring right here, and this is gonna go through the jump ring. Okay, that's gonna go in there. And I'm gonna move all this so we can have a little bit of space. I wanna show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so I have my cluster right here, my red, white, and blue. And I'm gonna make this to where it's sizable. If you wanna wear it long, you can. If you wanna wear it as a choker, you can. It's all about what you wanna do. So the way I do this is I'm gonna do like a sliding knot. I like to see this just like you see it right here. I like to stretch it kind of where these two ends have like at least 12. Let me push this aside so you can see. 12 inches each. So you see this right here? And I'm gonna grab the first one and I'm going to curve it just like this. And in this loop right here is where I'm gonna grab the other one on the back. See, the loop is on the top. I'm holding the loop right here. And with the tail that I have left over, then that's the tail I'm gonna go around. And we're gonna do one. And you have to hold it because it will go from you. So 1, 2, I'm gonna wrap this 3 times. 3 full times. Okay, you have to do it 3 full times where you see your cord 3 times here. This is the beginning of it. It's not a full loop. It's 3 times. If it looks like 4, then do 4. And then this right here is gonna go through this loop, okay? And you're going to start pulling to make sure this sits where you want it. So you're gonna start pulling from both ends, okay? Pull from both ends. I'm sorry, my husband's barbecuing outside and you can hear him doing the barbecue cleaning. So I apologize for that. Okay, we're gonna tighten this as best as we can. Tight, tight, tight. Don't be afraid of pulling it. That's what's gonna keep it super, super tight. If you have to work with it, that's it. Just turn it around and that's it. Okay, now that is gonna move. It's gonna allow you to expand or make it smaller. So we're gonna do the same thing all over again. See how my tail ended up being on this side? That's what you want. Now we have the other side right here, okay? And we're gonna turn it. We're gonna make that loop where this is gonna sit under it. You're gonna hold your loop right here. Okay, don't let that go. Here's your tail. We're gonna go under and we're gonna start going around. Remember, 3 times. If you wanna do it 4 times, you can. So here we go. This is 1, 2, and a full third time. Okay, and now this is gonna go in here, in the loop. Okay. And you're gonna start pulling. You're gonna start pulling because this has to be pulled all the way through, okay? And you're gonna start making sure, pushing and pulling. It's like a push and pull. Like a push and pull from both sides. And if you need help, just help it. Go all the way around while you push and pull. Okay? And that's not gonna go anywhere. You have it to where it's tight, and I'm pulling really tight here. Make sure that's there, okay? And that's where you're gonna, this is gonna come together like this, and it's gonna be a long necklace, or we're gonna pull it and we're gonna separate them, and that's where this becomes a choker, okay? Look how small that's gonna be. Now, here's the point where you can definitely cut the tails, which is what I'm gonna do next, as long as I have this really tight. You see, I moved it. I don't think I had this one too tight. So you're gonna pull it really tight from both sides. There you go. There's no need to glue it because it's gonna be a sliding knot, but you wanna make sure that this is really, really, really tight. There we go. Okay. And now I'm gonna put them back again over here. Put them back together. As together as you wanna put them. There we go. Okay. And this is where I'm gonna cut my tails. I have to grab a pair of scissors to do that, so I'll be right back. Okay, so, and you can make this as short or as long as you want to. Usually with paracord, you can burn the ends and that will seal it there. I might do that, but it's not needed. So I'm just gonna cut it right here. I'm just gonna leave a little tail like that. It's not gonna hurt anything. Just think for the design purposes that it looks cute. Okay, and now we're gonna close this to where you can make it dangle right there. Look how cute that looks. And then you have your set of earrings to match it. Look how cute that looks. I think this turned out to be a super easy and awesome project for you. And I hope that you enjoy your 4th of July and that you are blessed, and be careful out there, be safe. And until next time, God bless.